What's inside in this box? What's inside in this box? What's inside in it? It's a big surprise inside of this little box. It's nothing here. It's just nothing here. I hope, guys, you like this video. I hope, guys, you will write a comment about all of this. And I hope, of course, that you subscribe to my channel. I have a new update for my Hot Wheels, Matchbox, and for other of my diecast racing. For this big diecast collection, I have a big update. It will be a beautiful update for my diecast cars, maybe also for monster truck racing. So we will see what kind of racing will be on this track. So let's start unboxing of this beauty. So my friends, let's start to unbox this thing. Oh. It was funny. It's so big. A little bit heavy. What do we have here, my friends? We have here big Hot Wheels track. And it's so wonderful. It's really so awesome. I dream about this track since I have started to making my reviews, since I have started to making my Hot Wheels and Matchbox channel, because this track will help to make me a many racing video for you guys. I can't find this track in Europe, so I decided to buy this track in the United States, and this track comes from me from Amazon. So what do we have inside of it? It will be a big review for a wonderful track, and of course we will see many racing videos from this track. What cars do we have inside? We have this green wonderful Hot Wheel, this red, burgundy, wonderful cars inside. Let's come from with this track. It's a little bit a surprise for me because I didn't know that this track comes with the cars, and it's a surprise for me to have this 6 wonderful Hot Wheels cars inside of this box. It's not looks very big when it comes from the box. It was funny. It's a finish line, electronic finish line. I think I will need some batteries here. I very love this finish line. I already have seen how this track works. When we make racing, we will see how it works. So, instructions, finish line, track. This track is made from plastic. I hope that nothing is broken here after the transportation. I'm very glad to have possibility to remove parts of this track and to place this part on this track as I needed to. Here we can see a start line. It's an upper part of our track. Finish line here. It's a start line. Nicely done. Have a little parts here. And stay there. And a little part from this side. The start lane is almost ready. And here we go. Oh, it has so nice control here. This star control is much better than I have on my 4-lines track. This was my old custom 4-lines track. You only have sees here 2 lines, but I can add another 2 lines. This start system not as good as on the new track, as you can see. It haven't have so soft start, it have a hard start. And you always thinking that your plastic maybe will broke when you use this thing. So this was my old track. And here we go. This will be my new 6-lanes track. The track that I have making a review for you guys today. Let's connect parts of this track. What do we have here? We have a couple of wheels here. Must be here. One wheel is here. And the second one wheel must be here. Two wheels for transportation purpose. Okay. The funny thing, I have fully disassembled this track right now. We have some kind of assembling system here. I will try to connect here to here right now. It is here and here and guys, everything is easy. Easy peasy. I have almost assembled this track. We have a little bit problem here, as you can see here, but it will not be a problem for cars, I think. Let's try to assemble it here. Come together right now over here. The track is almost assembled. It's how this new 6-lane track look like. You can add additional lines. You can add additional lines here. Additional lines of this, of course. Your track can be as long as you wish. You can make a custom track, maybe a long custom track for this racing 6-lanes track. This was my old custom track. That will be my new custom track. Of course, later I will make a Don's here, and this track will be much longer than you can see right now in this review. Don't forget to press like to this review about the 6-lanes Hot Wheels track. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course don't forget to leave a comments. What do you think about this track? Guys, please leave a comments. It's how this track looks assembled. 1, 2, 3. Stop. 4. Ready? 5 and 6. Let's go. That's how the racing looks like. But this track soon will be much longer than this. You will see the longer variation, of course, of my Hot Wheels 6-lane track. This was a test racing. It look like this wonderful Matchbox Datsun wins this racing. Wow, amazing! This was amazing fast testing racing, and Matchbox wins against all of these Hot Wheels. It's funny. Do you like Matchbox cars, guys? Do you have Matchbox cars in your collection? Please write in comments. Wonderful car, isn't it? I should make a review for it. This was a review for Hot Wheels Super 6-Lane Raceway. It's a wonderful raceway with the 6 cars inside. I hope, guys, you like this video. I hope, guys, you will write a comment about all of this. And I hope, of course, that you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. It was the Wheels Hot channel. And this was a Super 6-lane Hot Wheels track.